Hi, welcome to the Magic of Math, where we master math one video at a time. Today, we're going to answer a standardized math test question where we need to use order of operations with parentheses. Here's our question. What is the value of this expression? I'm going to ask you to pause and solve, and come back and hit play when you're ready to check your work. Welcome back. So we are going to review order of operations, where the first thing we need to do is consider the parentheses and evaluate those first. Then we're going to look to see if there are any exponents. And then we will multiply and divide in order from left to right. And then last we will add and subtract in order from left to right. So let's go and apply order of operations to this numerical expression. So we're going to first say that we have parentheses. We need to do what's in the parentheses first. 11 subtract 8 is 3. So let's rewrite our numerical expression now. Now we have 6 times 3 subtract 3. Going to order of operations, we don't have any exponents. So we're going to go and multiply and divide in order from left to right. So 6 times 3 is 18. So let's rewrite our numerical expression to be 18 subtract 3. And our last and final step is to subtract. And 18 subtract 3 is 15. So the value of this expression is 15. Thanks for joining me today at the Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you'll come back again tomorrow and have a great day.